Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out an upgraded tool that every car owner, DIY mechanic, and weekend car warrior should know about. The Foxwell NT301 Plus. If you've ever dealt with a surprise check engine light, well, this little device might just become your new best friend. Let's jump right in. The NT301 Plus is an advanced OBD2 diagnostic scanner designed to read, analyze, and help you fix car issues quicker and easier. Think of it like having your own mini mechanic in your glove box, without the expensive labor cost. So what makes the NT301 Plus special? Let's break down the standout features. The NT301 Plus CAN OBD2 EOBD code reader is the easiest solution for OBD faults. In addition, its 2.8 TFT color screen and hotkeys for IM readiness test and reading clearing DTCs make it excellent value for money. It can also help save you money and offer added features to streamline your diagnosis. These enhanced functions encompass lead indicators, data logging, DTC assistance, VIN retrieval, and data printing. They aid in identifying underlying issues and enhance the convenience of your diagnostic process. The NT301 Plus' major advantage over competitors is its full support for full 10 OBD2 service modes. This includes live data, freeze frame, snapshot data, emissions-related trouble codes, clearing resetting stored test data, and DTCs, access to O2 sensor and onboard monitoring examination results, etc. This OBD2 Scanner diagnostic tool allows us to see real-time data in a graphical format, observe trends and changes in data, and check if parameters like temperature and speed are within normal ranges. This helps us monitor the vehicle's health, diagnose issues, make performance adjustments, and gain a better understanding of how the vehicle is performing. This OBD Scanner diagnostic tool is designed for fast use, so you can get the results you want in the shortest time with one-click hotkeys for reading, clearing DTCs. To know if you are ready for a smog check, press IM button, rubber, for 3 seconds. Red, yellow, green LEDs and built-in speaker indicate the readiness status for smog check. The Foxwell NT301 Plus packs serious diagnostic power in a compact, easy-to-use scanner. It's reliable, accurate, and honestly, one of the best value tools you can bring into your garage. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want a comparison between the NT301, NT301 Plus, and other Foxwell scanners.